Hello, and welcome to the overview of our new online tool. To make this tool as helpful as possible, we put together a diverse team of user interface designers, data visualization experts, subject matter experts, and IT architects. We had one simple goal: start with a clean slate and design the next generation of online reporting. Use the best practices from the programs we've developed and make them come alive in an online tool. One of our primary goals was to stay focused on the end user at all times. Unit managers are not researchers. They're busy people who need a simple tool that gets them what they need both quickly and easily. There are 4 reasons why I would log into our online tool as a unit, branch, or store manager. First and foremost, to see how I'm doing. I want a report card that tells me how I'm performing against a target or benchmark. Second, I want some diagnostics that help explain those results. Which employees are contributing to my performance? Which employees need my help? Next, I want individual customer information. I want to know which customers need my immediate help, so I can get to work on retaining them before I lose them. Finally, I want to know what my priorities should be. What are the major issues that affect my unit? What processes need my attention? But end users want something else. They want someone to boil all this information down and tell them what to do with it. Gone are the days where researchers could just post data online, thinking that a unit manager couldn't wait to get in and play with the data, trying to make sense of it. Isn't that why they hired a research company? That's why we've done the synthesis for you and distilled the data down to the critical information you need for those users who just want the facts. But it's a tricky balance because some users want to explore the data themselves. In fact, the same user may have different needs, sometimes wanting us to tell them just the facts, and other times wanting to explore. So we designed the site to accommodate both needs, keeping the details hidden, but easily available when you need them. That brings us to our next design principle. We didn't want an online tool that just creates a bunch of reports. We want a tool that can actually help you use the information. In our online tool, 75% of our real estate is devoted to taking action, whether it's improving frontline employees, strengthening individual customer relationships, or process improvement at the units. That's why the name of our online tool is Widgit. Nice and simple. It's about improving the customer experience. Of course, most of our clients have their own program names, so we can customize both the name and the look of our online tool. Let me be clear about what this is and what it's not. This is not an off-the-shelf product, but a group of modules that we believe together represents the best practices in customer experience measurement and management. It's a showcase of our abilities. Let's log in and start the guided tour. First, the banner. Navigation is simple, clean, and intuitive. The main tabs are labeled by what I have logged in to accomplish. Do I want to see my performance? Do I want to see which employees need my help? Do I want to take action on an individual customer? Do I want to see what's most important to my unit? On the left are basic functions like saving my favorite views and capturing the information so I can print, copy, or send to others. At the top right is the search window. We've all become used to using search functions to navigate a site, and our search accesses the entire site and even pulls up likely attributes, customers, or employee names. We've also included administrative tools, so I can see backstage details like sample disposition and response rates. I can even leave specific page-by-page feedback on the site itself, which is used to continually improve the site. To learn more about each function, roll your mouse over the different menus. When you are finished, click the button at the bottom to continue. Widget represents our point of view on the best practices in measuring and managing your customer experience. It shows how we put those best practices where they really matter, into the hands of the people who directly impact and improve your customer experience. Widget is not an off-the-shelf application. Instead, Widget is a portfolio of modules and options. We sit down with you to review these against your own needs and aspirations. We come to the table with recommendations and then design your application by assembling the different components. What you've seen is just a quick overview of those components. Give us a call for a more detailed tour of Widget and to talk about how we can help you take your customer experience program to the next level.